Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Here's an interesting concept. What if you took every 5-minute breakout alert regardless? Let's run through from top to bottom here, this list. We'll check out the alerts and see how they stack up. 5-minute chart, no technical analysis. We have a winner, we have a winner. Last two signals. 3, 4, 5 out of 5, 6 out of 6, 7 out of 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, wherever you got in here, 11. CAD Swissy, 12. Okay, we're looking for where it breaks. We look left and we're looking for the range where it broke out. We mark up the range and target 1 looks like it was reached. So is that 12 or 13? Maybe the CAD Swissy I'm not so keen on. I might take the alerts out of here because I tell you what, see how whippy this price action is? The alert that I do prefer is this guy here. Look at that. Okay, where you get this whippy, and you find a lot of the Swissy pairs, you get this whippy price action. So I think I'll take out the triangle and I'm going to include the dots instead. Current symbol only. Let's get rid of that. It's too volatile. I think we're up to 15 out of 15, but you know what I want? I want the extended once per bar. Let's go with that. I like these dots. They look good. CAD yen. Okay, where are we? 15 out of 15, I think it was, is it? 16. Look at these signals. Guys, gain access. The link is below. 17 out of 17. Looking for the pullback. Short it. That was a winner. 18. Look at these pips. Join me on this journey. Let's have a look at the Euro Oz. 19, 20. You're looking for the pullback. Where it breaks out, mark up the range. Well, yes, 21. Some are better than others, but I tell you what, 22 out of 22 winning trades so far, and we're just looking at the last 2 or 3. All right, there's a trade. Which one of these would you not want to take? 5-minute chart, and here's the thing. Take the trade regardless. Set your stop loss, set and forget, and be done with it. I mean, with this kind of win rate, this is the Euro CAD. I'm not even going to do any technical analysis. I'm going to take this trade right now, Euro CAD. Here it is, new order, buy, right there, set and forget. That's it. That'll open 3 positions. Well, it's not really set and forget. It's set and then check your levels. We've got the breakout. We've got the previous range. We've got the pullback into the range I've just entered. And then from here, I'm trading a 5-minute chart. I'm going to run with the 5-minute chart. It's a long position. That was my entry point. Go for broke. And my stop loss will go under. Look at the risk here. I'll go under the cloud, under this line, but I want to go under this previous low. Stop loss is 135,990. All right, that's pretty tight. Give that a little bit of extra room to breathe. Okay, my stop is in. If that gets taken out, so be it. What's my risk? $22 here at the moment. All right, so, and here's the other thing. Go down now. What I'll do is I'm going to set my target. Entries here. Stop losses here. Target is going to be here. So I'll let 2 of these close here. It's only, look, I'm going in with a small position. It's not the dollar value that I'm wanting to show you here. It's just what I'm really wanting to show you is how I'm trading this. And then what I'll do is when this target gets reached, that'll automatically close. I'll set an alarm right on target. My alert's set right on target. When that goes off, I'm going to come in then and pull my stop loss up to under here where it's in the money, risk-free, and go for broke with that. And then I'll keep an eye on it. If this trades in our favor, I'll just slowly pull the stop loss up behind it. Okay, tiny position size, but I can show you something. what I've done here is very small risk, but I've got another one that's a little bit more exciting. Okay. Okay, so trade is running in my MT5 account. And now there's a bearish opportunity as well. So we'll have this trade first, and then this one, this breakout. We're looking for the previous range. Okay, look back and see where you see white candles. We'll go with that. Right. If it trades back up into here, that's our short in here. Don't want to make this complicated because it's not. Break, sell. All right, so maybe we get something like this. Trades up into here. We can close our buy if we want to, and then we can open up a short through here. In any case, I think we've got 20 or so winning trades out of the last 20 we've looked at. So there's another breakout here, Euro Swiss. Now I would have liked to have entered preferably down around here, so I'll let that one go. That's the key with this, is to get your entry. Like, look at the previous range and go with that. Set your orders in. If they get triggered, then fine. If not, let it go. For example, breakout, previous range here. Have a look at the white candle. Pull it through. There's your, you layer in your sell orders in through here. So let's just call this, I think, 21 break sell. So far, this has been pretty successful. 22. Maybe I've lost count. Seriously, even this one, look, breakout. Where's the previous range? It's right there. Got a fill. 23. Winning trade. 24 out of 24. 25 out of 25. Breakout. Previous range. Pull it across. 25, 26. I don't know. I'm losing count now. But I think you can see what I'm getting at. And I would say have a look at the breakout playlist. Look at this one, 27. See, and it's these runs where you really pick up some pips. Stop loss under the cloud. That's another thing too. You can leave your stop loss where it is if you want to. And if this does come back and takes you out, then it's not a big deal. You've minimized the risk. You've reduced the loss. You know what I'm saying? So let's just say this was your buy. Okay, you got an entry here. Let's say that your stop loss is placed under the cloud. You close your 2/3, right? So you're reducing your position size. You've got money in the bank. That looks like a break even to me. If you've closed 2/3, this will cover your broker fees by the looks of it. Leave it there. Pulling the stop loss up gets you in the money if it gets taken out. Leaving it where it is, think about it. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Close 2/3, pull your stop loss up, let it get taken out. It really, honestly, doesn't matter. See the breakout? Well, we're going to go with, you probably would have gone off this range. You're looking for the previous, where the price is ranging, and then you're looking for the retest. And some of these, you'll find that you 2/3 of your position, you close, you're in the money, and it doesn't matter. It's minimal. You cover your costs. You come out with a small profit. It's all good. But it will be these trades. Here's your trade. It's these opportunities that give you your payday, right? Stop loss is no issue at all. Away you go, and just look at that. Now, the other thing with this is if you understand price action, you're looking for, see here where we have these relative equal highs through here. And then what happens is this creates liquidity above and below. Call it I've got that liquidity pool. Once you understand this, any knowledge that you have or any understanding of price action, technical analysis, that's a bonus. Where you see the market ranging like this, it's building liquidity. Where it trades up into, this is the Sydney Open. It'll trade one way into the market, into the session open, and then it'll rotate. See here, it traded up into the Asian Open, and then it rotated. So you look for how it's trading into the open, the market open. Here's the rotation. Anyway, we have a situation here where these relative equal highs builds liquidity. And if you recognize this, okay, then it spikes up into this liquidity pool, and sells off. And then what you get is a break of structure here and comes back to fill this gap. There's a couple of attempts there and here. You got a breakout signal in any case. This is your entry anywhere in this range. But what you want to do is understand this price action. Actually, in our Discord group, we have a section under VIP, Smart Money, where we go into these ideas, and that will make a big difference to your trading experience. In any case, let's go back. When you recognize this and you see a breakout, increase your lot size if you want to. Anyway, I think we're up to 25 or so, but you get the picture. Look at this. Stop loss, not an issue. You're trailing it up and you're well and truly in the money. 26, 27. We haven't had a losing trade yet if you follow the rules. 28, we're halfway through the list. That's just trading every 5-minute breakout regardless. Now looking through the rest of these was much the same. I think I've covered everything in the video. Check the links below. I have a link to my playlist. It's the Breakout Strategy playlist. That's pretty interesting. Join Discord. It's free. I hope you have a fantastic day. Safe trading, and I'll see you in the next video.